First, create your free HolyNode account. After registering, create a merchant to receive your API key. Click New Merchant to start. Enter your merchant name, category, and size. You can also whitelist your IPS here if you wish. Click Create Merchant to continue. Copy your API key and store it securely. Next, you can upload a merchant logo or simply skip this step. Now, add funds to power your transactions. Choose the amount you want, then click Buy. Once your account is funded, you can call the HolyNode API to seamlessly process TRC20 transfers. To get started, send an HTTP post request as documented in HolyNode docs. After setting your API key and header, here are the required fields. From address. The address sending your USDT TRC20 assets, such as Tether. To address. The recipient address to receive the assets. Contract address. The contract address of your TRC20 contract. For example, you can see Tether address here. Amount. The amount to transfer, for example, 1 Tether. Tag. Some tags for your better tracking. Network. Finally, the final parameter, which is TRC20 for now. You're all set. You will receive enough assets to cover the transaction fees for 1 hour. Enjoy.